What if I told you that there is a mountain range in India that is older than the Himalayas, older than the Alps, older than the Rocky Mountains, and perhaps it's one of the oldest surviving mountain ranges on Earth. It has witnessed the rise and fall of the continents, extinction of the dinosaurs, and birth of humans. But today, it is slowly disappearing. This is not just the story of a mountain range, this is the story of the Aravali's, the ancient guardians of northern India. Imagine traveling back, not thousands, not millions, but 2 billion years ago. The earth looked nothing like today. There were no flowering plants, no birds, no mammals, no humans. Only primitive life existed in ancient oceans. Deep beneath the earth's surface, gigantic tectonic plates collided, creating immense pressure and unimaginable heat, which folded the rocks together, which eventually formed what we call Aravali mountain range. That means when these mountain ranges were formed, Himalayas didn't even exist. In fact, Himalayas are only 50 million years old, which means Himalayas are practically newborns as compared to Aravalis. Here's something fascinating. If Aravalis are so old, why aren't they as tall as Himalayas? The answer lies in one simple, powerful natural force that's called erosion. Think about a brand new pencil. It has a sharp point, but after years of writing, that tip becomes blunt. Mountains behave the same way. For 2 billion years, wind, rain, temperature changes, flowing rivers have worn down these giant peaks. Scientists estimate that these mountain ranges were as majestic as many modern day mountains. Today, what we see is the weathered skeleton of those ancient giants. Now, here's something more surprising. These ancient mountains are one of the biggest reasons why a city like Delhi hasn't become more desert-like. Let me show you how. Now you might wonder that if these mountains are no longer tall, do they still matter? Absolutely. In fact, millions of people depend on them every single day without even realizing it. Aravalis act as natural barriers. They slow down the advance of Thar Desert, helping prevent the desertification of cities like Delhi and Gurugram. They help recharge groundwater. They regulate local rainfall patterns. They regulate local temperatures. They help reduce soil erosion. And also they provide a habitat for various plants and animals. Even leopards still roam in parts of Aravali forests. Imagine a leopard living just a short distance from one of the busiest cities in India. Nature is much closer than we think. To a geologist, the Aravalis are like an ancient history book. Every rock tells a story because these Aravali ranges contains rocks that are approximately 2 billion years old. It contains India's richest deposits of marble, zinc, lead, copper, and many other valuable minerals. Even the famous marble that is used in buildings across Rajasthan has its geological roots connected to this ancient mountain system. Scientists from around the world study these rocks because these rocks tells us how the ancient earth looked like billions of years ago. In many ways, Aravalis are like a time capsule. But despite surviving for billions of years, Aravalis are now facing their greatest threat. Not earthquakes, nor volcanoes, neither climate, but humans. Illegal mining, rapid urbanization, deforestation, and encroachment are slowly breaking down these mountains. When forests disappear, local temperature rises, dust pollution increases, groundwater falls, and wildlife loses its habitat. Ironically, what these mountain ranges were protecting for billions of years could be destroyed within a few decades. People often think that mountains are just piles of rocks, but mountains are living systems. They store water, regulate climate, protect biodiversity, and support livelihoods. And they quietly provide the ecosystem services that make our lives possible. Aravallis may not be the tallest mountains, but they are the most important ones, especially for the millions living across northern and western India. Protecting them is not only about conserving nature, but it's about protecting our own future. So the next time you visit through Rajasthan or Delhi or Haryana or Gujarat and see those rugged mountains, remember, you are looking at one of the Earth's oldest surviving mountain range, which have survived for billions of years. But the question is, will they be around to witness another 100 years? If you enjoyed discovering the incredible science hidden in everyday landscapes, then subscribe to Green Spaces by Ria, because every week we uncover fascinating stories that nature has been telling for millions of years. And some stories starts with a single rock. Thank you.